Now here third example is 1291 multiplied by 592. Okay, so here first number is 4-digit number and here 3-digit numbers are there. So here what we will do, we will round up these two number nearest to 100, nearest to 100. Okay, so first number is 1291. So on the we are round upping the nearest to 100. So see the 10th place here. On the 10th place 9 is there, which is more than the 5. So increase the 100 place by 1 and here will come 1300. Okay, so next number is 592. Round up this number again. So here on the 10th place again 9 is there, so increase the 100 place by 1 and replace the 10th and 1's place by 0. So our round upping number of 592 is 600. Now let's do the multiplication of these two number. Okay, here simple multiplication I will do here. Here how many zeros are there? 4. So here I will write 4 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, 6 3s are 18. Okay, 6 3s are 18. Carry 1. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So our answer is 7,80,000. So estimated product of these two number is 7,80,000. So estimated product is 7,80,000. Okay, now last example of this session is last example of this question, the D1. Here 9,250 and 29. Okay, now 2-digit number is here and here 4-digit number is there. Two different digit numbers are there. So here what we will do, here 2-digit number we can round up this number nearest to 10 only. So here 29, here what we have to do, we have to round up nearest to 10. Okay, and here for we are going to round up this number nearest to 1000. So 9,250, round up the number nearest to 1000. Okay, so we are going to round up the number nearest 1000. On the 100 plus 2 is there, which is less than 5. So what we have to do, we have to keep the 1000 place as it is and replace 100 tens and 1's place by 0. Okay, now 29, let's see the second number, that is 29. Here 2-digit numbers are there, so we can round up this number nearest to 10 only. So on that 1's place 9 is there, which is more than 5. So increase the 10th place by 1 and replace the 1's place by 0 and we'll get 30. So here these two numbers are rounded number of these two number. Okay, here both the numbers we rounded differently. Okay, now let's do the multiplication of these two numbers. Here simply I will do the multiplication of these two numbers. If you'll round up this number nearest to 100 or nearest to 10, so your answer of multiplication will be changed. Okay, so here you can decide in which number in nearest to which you have to round up. Okay, so here 4 zeros are there, so here I will write 4 zeros. Okay, and here 9 3s are 27. Okay, so our answer, the estimated product of these two number is 2,70,000. So therefore the estimated product is 2,70,000. 70,000. Okay. Now student, we have solved exercise number 1.3. You can write down all the questions and you can form the different number to estimate sum, products and difference, and you can solve those examples in your notebook. Now let's see the next topic of this lesson, that is using bracket. So let's see what are the brackets and why where we use the bracket. So using brackets, when we have to simplify the expression, that time we use the bracket. So grouping symbols called brackets, and brackets are used to separate the various parts of an expression. For example, if simple expression, if I want to take a plus b plus c, so here I'm separating the group of these two group of these two numbers, okay, group of these two numbers by this bracket. Okay, so here we are using the bracket for the separating the different parts of an expression. To simplify the expression involving brackets, you must have heard that BODMAS. BODMAS is the bracket of, so B stand for the bracket, O stand for of, and D stand for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So BODMAS means bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now there are different types of brackets are there. First, the simple bar is also we used, and this is the one type of the bracket, and we called it bar and vinculum. Okay, second is round or small bracket, which we use normally, oftenly we use this bracket. Okay, and this is the round or small bracket, we called it small bracket. Now third bracket is curly bracket. Okay, this is a curly bracket, and the last bracket is here big or square bracket. So this is the square bracket. Okay, so this is the you have in 5th standard you have simplified the different expressions. You have simplified with the help of this BODMAS. You have solved how to simplify them, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction with the help of the brackets. Now let's see the last topic of this lesson, that is Roman numbers. Now student, let's see the Roman numbers. Now you are learning the Roman numbers from the smaller, that means from the 1st standard you are learning this. Now when you are forming the Roman numbers, and the basic Roman numbers you should know for the particular Hindu Arabic number. Now we know that 1, the capital I, which is the Roman number for 1. Capital V, the Roman number is for 5. Capital X is the Roman number for 10. Capital L is for 50. Capital C is for 100. Capital D is for 500. And capital M is for 1000. These Roman numbers you should remember, because with the help of these Roman number we can form the different Roman numbers. Now when you are forming the different Roman numbers, what you have to remember, that some certain rules are there when you are forming the Roman numbers. Now first is repetition of number means the addition. If any Roman number is coming again, so what does it mean? It means we are adding that Roman number. So which Roman number you can repeat, which Roman number you can add, that is only capital I, capital X, capital C and capital M. Only these 4 numbers you can add and you can repeat them again and again. Okay, so remember it when you are forming the Roman numbers. Now third rule of this Roman, the third rule is the capital V, capital L and capital D, we cannot be repeated. When you are forming the number, you are not supposed to repeat these Roman numbers, that is capital V, capital L and capital D. And these Roman numbers stand for, this capital V stand for 5, L means 50 and D means 500. So these Roman numbers cannot be repeated. If you are repeating any number, so how many times you have to repeat? That is only 3 times. Only 3 times you can repeat these Roman numbers. More than 3, if you repeat them, it means the formation of that Roman number is wrong. Now fifth rule of the forming Roman numbers, that is a smaller number written to right of a large number is always added to the large number. For example, if I want to write here 6, what is the Roman number for 6? So what we have to do? 5 plus 1. Okay, 5 plus, what is the Roman number 5? That is capital V. Okay, what is the Roman number for 1? That is capital I. So the Roman number for 6 is VI. Okay, and here if we'll say the right of a large number, smaller number is on the right place of the large number, it means the smaller number is added to the large number. Next rule of forming Roman number is a smaller number written to the left of a large number is always subtracted from large number. For example, here if I'll take 9 here, okay, 9, we have to write down the Roman number of 9. So what we have to do? We have to subtract the 1 from the 10. So we'll get 9. And here for the 1, what is the Roman number? I. And here I is on the left side, okay, left side of the large number. So X, capital X is for the 10. So 10, here capital X is larger than the capital I, it means, and here I is on the left side, it means this small number is subtracted from large number. Now let's see the next rule. Capital V, capital L and capital D are never subtracted. Means we can't subtract these Roman numbers from other Roman numbers. We can subtract those other other Roman number, we can subtract it from them, but we can't subtract these Roman numbers from the other Roman numbers. Now here 8th rule is capital I, means capital I we can subtract it from only from V and X. So we have to remember, when you are forming any rule, any number where you have to do the subtraction and where you have to use the I, so you have to do the we can subtract the capital I from only capital V and capital X, mean, and capital V is stand for 5 and X for the 10. So you can subtract 1 from 5 or from 10. This capital X is for the 10, okay, and 10 can be subtracted from L and C. So L stand for 50 and C stand for 100. So you can subtract 10 from the 50 and 100 only. Now let's see the 10th and the last rule of the last rule for the Roman number. C can be subtracted from D and M only. C stand for the 100 and we can subtract the 100 from only D and M. D stand for 500 and M stand for 1000. So we have seen the 10 rules, and these 10 rules we have to remember along with the Roman number of these numbers. It is very important when we are forming the Roman numbers, and you have learned all these things from your previous standards. So I hope you understood how to form the Roman numbers. Now let's see more examples how to form the Roman numbers. Now these are the Hindu Arabic numbers. Let's find out how to form the Roman numbers for these numbers. Now here 90 is there. So what we have to do is we have to subtract the 10 from the 100. Okay. What is the Roman number for 100? That is C. Okay. And what is the Roman number for X? That is X. So remember student, we are subtracting the 10 from the 100, and we have seen in the rule, when you are subtracting any smaller number from the larger one, so you have to always write the smaller number on the left side and larger number should be on the right side. So XC is the Roman number for the 90. Okay, now here 20 and 4. So here 20 means 10 plus 10, okay, plus 1 plus 1, sorry, here, so 10 plus 10, 20, and for 4 we know that what is the Roman number? that is 5 minus 1 is equal to, what is the Roman number for 5? That is V. And what is the Roman number for 1? That is 1. It means here will come okay. So here what is the Roman number for 10? So here we have to write 2 times x, okay, and Roman number for 5. Here we are doing subtraction first, so first we have to write the Roman number for 1 and then 5. So this is the Roman number for 24. Let's see the Roman number for 400. So 400, how will we get? We have to subtract the 100 from 500. Oh, now here 500 minus 100. So when you are subtracting, you have to write the smaller Roman number on the left side. What is the Roman number for 100? That is C. What is the Roman number for 500? That is D. So CD is the Roman number for the 400. Okay. Now let's see the Roman number for 15. 10 plus 5. Okay. What is the Roman number for 10? That is X. Okay. And 5. V. So XV is the Roman number for 15. So in this way you can form any Roman number with the help of the rules. In this session we have solved exercise 1.3. We have seen the small information about the brackets, and after that we have seen the rules for the forming Roman numbers. In next session we will do the practice of whole the lesson, what we have learned in the whole lesson.